Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our journey through Tuscaloosa, Alabama on US Highways 11 and 43. As we made our way into the city, US 11 transitioned into a wide boulevard with 3 lanes in each direction, known locally as 15th Street. However, our shared path with US 43 will soon come to an end as we approach the junction with Interstate 359. At this point, US 11 will veer south onto I-359, while US 43 will head north, crossing the Black Warrior River as I-359 becomes an at-grade couplet. This will allow us to travel the full length of I-359, which spans a mere 2.76 miles, and was opened in 1983 to connect Tuscaloosa with I-20 and 59. The initial planning for I-359 began in 1960, at a time when Tuscaloosa had yet to expand south and was cut off from the interstate system. Following the opening of I-359, US 11 was rerouted to follow the new interstate, while its former path was located along Greensboro Avenue, just a few blocks to the east. Additionally, Alabama State Route 69 shares the entirety of I-359's length. Here, I-359's southern terminus is marked with an end sign overhead as we reach a junction with I-20 and 59. We continue on controlled access roadway a short distance, still concurrent with State Route 69. Once we clear the I-59 off-ramps, we're back on an at-grade thoroughfare. A double left turn lane takes US 11 off of State Route 69 and onto Skyland Boulevard, heading to the east again. Bear in mind that although all of US 11 is signed north-south, the actual compass direction between its termini is more southwest to northeast, so the compass direction of the highway varies between east-west and north-south. Once we get past Tuscaloosa, we'll be heading more to the northeast again. Skyland Boulevard is a dense commercial corridor that runs parallel to and just to the south of I-20 and I-59. Here, Alabama State Route 215 crosses, with the former alignment of US 11 coming in from the left on Greensboro Avenue. The road continues to the right as Old Montgomery Highway. At McFarland Boulevard, we see a junction with US Highway 82, which crosses Alabama in a northwest to southeast direction. Here we cross back to the north side of I-20 and 59 again as we approach the city limits of Tuscaloosa. We leave Tuscaloosa here and enter the unincorporated community of Cottondale, which had a population of 3,130 as of the 2020 census. conclude our video here at mile marker 86. Thanks for watching. We've enabled channel memberships, so for just $1 a month, you too can help support our channel. Click the link in the description to join. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.